In this video, we're going to be installing an Inconol race system on this Aventador SVJ. So here we have the full exhaust system from Brooke Race Exhaust. We've got an Inconol X pipe and we've got Inconol connecting pipes. These have been ceramic coated because these cars get really hot and it's gonna get loud. So first things first, we need to get the old system out so we can get the new one installed. So we'll see you there. So now that we've got the stock exhaust off the car, we've put both of these exhaust systems on the table so you can have a visual comparison of the stock versus the Inconol X pipe. So as you can see, the stock exhaust system is very bulky. That whole thing is a silencer, so you can just see how much louder it's going to be just by looking at this X pipe in comparison to this. Another thing about the stock exhaust system, it weighs an absolute ton compared to the X pipe, which weighs a lot less. So not only are you gaining power and noise, but you're actually saving a lot of weight by installing this exhaust system. So let's get it installed on the car and let's see what it sounds like. We'll see you there. Right guys, the exhaust is fully installed now. We're going to start it up, let it warm up, and you can hear what it sounds like, so we'll see you there. Right guys, that's another Brooke Race exhaust system installed on this Aventador SVJ. If you're interested in any Brooke Race exhaust systems, give us a ring and let's see what we can do for you. And as always guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.